Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe of mixed vegetables. It's easy to make and very good in taste. There are many ways to make mixed vegetable. Today I'm going to share a very delicious and easy to make recipe with you. So let's get started. For making this I have taken one finely chopped onion, or you can take sliced onion also, and if you don't have you can skip it also. And I have taken a mix of vegetables that include beans, cauliflower and carrot. And here you can see the way I have chopped them. So here you can see the way I have cut the carrot, beans and cauliflower this small size pieces. Then I have taken around 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, a pinch of cardamom and cinnamon powder. It's optional, you can skip it or you can use whole also if you have. 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, salt 1.5 teaspoon or according to your taste, and I have taken half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now I have heated up oil, and then I'll be adding ginger garlic paste and cumin seeds. I'm not adding any other whole spice you can add. Then we'll saute them properly, and then I'll be adding onion. So onion I have added finely chopped. You can add sliced, also thinly sliced, or the way you want. So we will let them fry properly. Once are fried properly, I'll be adding vegetables to it. I'll give it a good mix, and then I'll be adding spices, chili powder, coriander powder, fennel seed powder, turmeric powder and salt too. I'll mix it properly and I will cover it and let it cook on low flame. So here I'm not going to add any water. These vegetables will release its water and they will get cooked in it. This turns very good and it gets cooked in no time. It's very easy to cook. So I have kept a low flame and I'll cover it and let it cook. After around 20 minutes I'll check. So here you can see they're almost done. Even beans also get cooked in this. You don't need to pressure cook them or anything. So I'll check the softness. Now I'll check the softness of vegetables. Make sure you check all the 3 vegetables, softness of all the 3 vegetables, and it's not like they should not be fully soft also. Here you can see, I'll show you like this. The shape should be like that, but they should be soft. The vegetables should retain their shape, but they should be soft at the same time. And I'm not going to add any water. This turns a dry. I'm going to make it dry, totally dry. If you wish, you can add small amount of water to make it a little bit of gravy. That will also taste good. If you feel it's not soft yet, you can add small amount of water to cook it for more time. This recipe is my personal favorite and it turns really good in no time. It's very easy to cook. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.